Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Instagram to the Clubhouse. So process is pretty simple. So Clubhouse is basically a social media application. You can now connect your Instagram to the Clubhouse, but how you can do it basically? So first of all you have to open your Clubhouse application. So this is the interface of the Clubhouse application, and now you want to add your Instagram with the Clubhouse. How you can basically do it? Simply click on your profile icon on the right top, tap on it, and you will see your profile is here. And you just below the add a bio you will see two options, add Twitter and add Instagram. You have to tap on the add Instagram here, and it will redirect you to the browser, and your Instagram is open now. Simply click on the allow. So you will see successfully connected to the Instagram, and this is my Instagram account. So it's connected with my club application. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.